As California's insurance crisis continues tonight, it's now impacting the foster care system. Foster family agencies say one of their major insurance carriers is no longer renewing policies in the state. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen shows us what this means for agencies and kids.
Becca, the insurance crisis is now hurting foster kids. We've already seen it hit homeowners, renters, and drivers. Now, another major provider for foster agencies announced it won't renew policies for California foster family agencies. For one Stockton-based agency, this may mean closing its doors.
We really have to have that insurance to be able to operate, especially our foster family agency.
Parents by Choice is a Stockton-based nonprofit aimed at helping foster youth in the welfare system. And insurance is required as it protects the agency from various things, including sexual misconduct insurance. The nonprofit's Insurance Alliance of California, or NIAC, has been its provider.
It's a very costly piece of our operation, and we have to make sure that we're not only getting the best insurance, but we're getting the best price.
But in September, NIAC announced it will not renew policies for California-based agencies, blaming AB 2496 that the governor recently signed into law. Authored by Assemblymember Gail Pellerin, the bill is meant to protect children from any misconduct within the foster care system by holding the agencies liable. Because of that, NIAC believed this would increase risks for the agencies.
I was very concerned. NIAC has apparently become one of the only insurance providers left in California.
Parents by Choice now has 4 months until their policy expires.
We either have to close our foster care program and not serve these youth any longer, or we have to find an insurance provider.
California Alliance is an organization that provides policy and advocacy support for agencies and says if foster agencies are able to find another insurer, it would be at a much higher cost.
Easily looking at, for most providers, probably a quadrupling their premiums.
The CEO of NIAC provided ABC 10 with a statement that said, in part, NIAC would still be providing coverage for foster agencies in California if the legislature passed the bill to make it so agencies are not held accountable for negligent acts. Because of this, NIAC determined it could no longer protect the agencies.
So, Jeannie, we understand the Assemblymember Pellerin, who authored this legislation, is now weighing in. What is she saying?
Well, Becca, Assemblymember Pellerin says that the non-renewal would mean 9,700 foster children would have to revert back to the care of the county, and counties are just not set up to care for these kids. She adds she's thankful the governor signed the bill into law and encourages the insurance commissioner to urge property and casualty insurance companies to find a way to offer coverage to these agencies.